In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Form GUID in HubSpot, step by step, in a simple way that's easy for beginners to follow. First of all, log into your HubSpot account and go to the Forms tool. You can find it by searching for forms or by navigating through the marketing section. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the forms you've already created. If you don't have a form yet, you can quickly create one using a template or by starting from scratch. Next, open the form you want to work with. This will take you into the form editor, where you can see and edit all the form fields. Now, look at the top right corner and click on the option to share or distribute the form. After that, choose the embed option. HubSpot will generate an embed code for your form. Inside this code, look for a value called the Form ID or Data Form ID. This long string of letters and numbers is your Form GUID. Simply copy this value and save it somewhere safe. You can now use this GUID whenever you need to reference your form in integrations, custom code, or other tools. And that's how you find your Form GUID in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.